Hey guys, Ross Smith from Techstar Property Group. We are here at our flip house, investment house, whatever you want to call it. Man, there's been a lot done. Just want to give a shout out to Lower Beds Roofing and Renovations. David over there is amazing. He has done some excellent work in this house, and one of those guys that not only is going to do it right, but do it right the first time. Definitely, we'll be doing a lot more business with them here in the future. Thanks to Hot Texas Interiors, while I got it in here, they've picked out some great finishes for our home, and really excited about this. But no further ado, here's what we're doing. Here is the kitchen. Obviously, we have pulled all the bar tops off of here. We have actually leveled this out. We took a little bit off of this so we could get some more counter space out to here. So it's going to be all one big piece of granite going there. Then we have opened this back up. It was previously closed off, and also taken the arch out of here just to, open it up into the living room and give this a just more of a light, bright, and airy feel. And we definitely nailed it on that because it looks just fantastic in here. So they've already taken our fireplace out and done our stacked stone here. So looking really good right there. And we'll also have some matching tile from the kitchen that will go right there on the hearth. Man, just really, really excited about this. Taking all the carpet off the stairs and all the carpet from upstairs has all been pulled out. We got our finishes from Hot Texas Interiors. That's going to be our bathroom, our powder room down here, and our laundry room. There's some of the tile and the carpet that's going to be used in this project. And yeah, we're rocking and rolling. Look, these guys completely disassembled these cabinets and are painting them from the inside out. Like I said, just super happy with this contractor. They have been absolutely great. Man, I'm a little excited about this one. You guys stay tuned as we get some more work done and things get finished. And obviously, if you need to buy, sell, and invest in real estate, you know where to come. Techstar Property Group. Thanks, guys.